Hi everyone, good morning. So I'm back again. I want you all to join me as I wash my hair with my natural ingredients, guys. This is my natural hair that I have been training for over 2 years. I actually cut my hair 2020, yeah, during the corona period. I came back home and I was like, the hair I was keeping then, guys, it was if you see my hair, the relaxer have turned it into pink color. But see, I've been keeping my natural hair and see the way the thing is very, 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 very soft. I don't know if you're seeing it, very clear. But it's very, 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 very soft, guys. Like it's the hair is like a baby hair. Yeah. Cowbell milk, guys. Let me tell you the main purpose of me using this cowbell milk for my hair. Okay, protein and liquid in milk work to strengthen the hair while the calcium promotes hair growth and aids in preventing hair loss. So it will strengthen your hair. I don't know if you can see it, guys. I don't know if you can strengthen the hair, and it promotes the hair growth. Yes, it makes your hair to grow more. Yeah, it promotes your hair growth. It strengthens your hair, and it prevents your hair from cutting, like prevent it from losing your hair, guys. So you see, cowbell milk is a very good thing to the hair. Okay, next ingredient is the honey. Honey, guys, I bought this honey like in this rubber. I bought it for 4,000 naira or so. Yeah, started using it this year, and this is where it is. It's remaining small, so I'm just going to manage it. I'm going to manage it. So let me check the use of honey in the hair. Honey makes an amazing natural hair conditioner. It is an amazing natural hair conditioner. So I'm actually keeping a natural hair, and this honey is an amazing natural hair conditioner for my natural hair, guys. So it moisturize. Hmm. Guys, honey is a very, very good ingredient for the hair. It moisturizes your hair. It's a natural ingredient. It's a natural hair conditioner for your hair. All those artificial ones, this one, it beats all of them, guys. It beats them. And its properties soften, detangle. It softens your hair, it detangle your hair, and it smooths your hair, guys. See my hair now. My hair is smooth like a baby own. Guys, me, I have a very strong hair before, but see me now. Yeah, everybody that is placing my hair be like, yeah, it's so fine. Yeah, it's so smooth. They don't know the work I'm going through and the money I'm spending. And lastly, egg. Guys, I know you'll be wondering why am I involving egg? Yes, guys. I'm just going to browse the use of egg in the hair now so you can know why I'm always involving egg while I'm doing this process. So let me browse it. Okay, the yolk is loaded with healthy fats, guys. The egg yolk, I don't know if you can see it. Yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and makes the strands of your hair look silk and shiny. Guys, that's why my hair is always shiny like a baby. 80% protein. Applying protein-rich egg into hair can help replenish the protein lost, like all the protein you have lost in the hair, all these plates, all this hair cream that you put in your hair that will make you lose protein in the hair. It will help you replenish it. This egg that you are seeing that is small like this, it will help you replenish it, and it will hair through styling. Yes, most of the time when you are styling the hair, fixing all those kind of things, it makes you lose protein in the hair. So now this egg that you are seeing now will help you replenish it and making your hair stronger and better to stand up the heat, guys. So I don't know the use of this thing all this while. I've just been using it because somebody said I should use it, and I've just been using it. Guys, egg is very, see all this my ingredient as you see there: milk, honey, egg. Just very small ingredient too. They are very, very good for the hair. You don't need to you don't need to keep natural hair before you start using this ingredient. You can actually make use of it in your, maybe your relaxed hair also. You can still make use of it, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to mix it, how I'm going to be mixing the stuff. So in this process, I will start applying it. You know, it's not much, so I'm just going to apply it to the hair. Mm. Okay, I'm going to stay for like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours now with this hair. Like this. I'm going to cover it. Where is my nylon? Okay. I'm going to be using this nylon to cover it. Let me even show you how I'm going to cover it first. But first of all, I don't have rubber band here to pack it. But I'm just going to try if I can plate it with my hand. Since there's nothing to use to pack it. Let me see if I can plate it with my hand. See now. I can do it. See. Talented. Talentful. So you just have to pack it so it won't be somehow. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm supposed to use this nylon to cover it. That's what I want to do now. My nylon has spun. Let's see. I was actually looking for nylon. I did not see. Guys, everywhere now. Well, I never knew that there's a style like this. You see me now. I pack my hair. You cover it very well. I'm trying to steam it. This is called steaming. After applying everything, you cover it with this, with nylon or shower cap. Anything that can give it the heat that it deserves. Yeah, the heat. It needs heat now so it can work faster. So I'm going to tie it. And I'm going to wait for hours, some hours. It depends on you. If you want to wait for the whole day, no problem. But just please hold small rag because very soon now the thing will start dripping, to be dripping from all this area. So hold small rag so you can be cleaning your body. We don't want to be smelling now because we are trying to steam our hair. No, we don't want to smell. So thank you. Let's wait for 5 minutes more. Hmm? Hours. So I've spent 2 hours on this hair. So it is time for me to wash the hair. See how many nylon I used to wrap it so it can hit and enter very well, guys. So now I brought another one that we don't know. I know most of us have heard about rice water, but we don't really know the use of rice water in this hair. I'm going to browse it now, so you all can hear from it from the internet. Rice water for hair growth. Now, many people find rice water to be a beneficial hair treatment. Historical examples and evidence suggest that rice water may improve the strength, texture, and growth of your hair. So, see, guys, rice water is very, very good for the hair. Scientifically, it is very good. Naturally, it's very good. So, I'm going to be applying it to my hair. So, I'm going to use it first to clean off the other stuff I put on the hair before I go and start using my conditioner, shampoo. I'm using this one after this rice water. I'll use it to wash my hair. So join me as I wash my hair. And please, if you haven't followed my page, Bikono Ejomabino, follow. Ew. So I don't forget, guys, I cover the hair for 2 hours. Why? Most time I used to spend like 4 to 5 hours, but now it's got the weather is very hot, so it has steam. I know the heat alone that I see now, Abba, it has steamed already. So I'm still going to comb it. Guys, if you see the way the hair is hot, this one, the thing is steam enter. So I'm just going to comb it. And guys, again, I have I'm going to be applying the conditioner. You scrub it very well. Massage the hair with it very, very, very well. Just like you're washing it again. You massage it for 5 minutes. Why I'm combing it because I'm trying to massage the hair. That's why I'm still combing it. Now I was like I was going to cover it again, but no need. The main purpose of covering it is because I want it to enter. So with all the massage I've done, it will enter by force, by fire. Finally, I'm done. Thank you, guys. I hope you have learned something today on how to keep your natural hair beautiful, strong, soft, and healthy. Hope you have learned it. Okay? So, till we meet again, please do not forget to follow my page. Like, comment, share. Thank you.